Okay, so let's try opening up another scene. And I'll go into this motorcycle file. And this is one I'll render. Okay, so in the document that I posted at the community site on rendering with Vue, which everyone should download if you want to start using this stuff, let's do configuration variables. And I'm going to look at this one. Let's see, edit, so it's easier to see. So MS underbar material underbar prefer library materials set to 1. What does that do? What that does is now when I open the material editor up, I'll see this little icon here, and it will automatically copy the material to the library. So I've got several reference files here that make this up. So if I bring this dialog over here, this was put together years ago, the guy that did it, and he used reference files for the different parts. So lo and behold, each one of those files has a material library. The material names are the same, but they're local materials in all those libraries. So if you set this preference, it makes the file that you're in, the master file that you're in, it uses the definition from that file. So if you edit that material for the paint, every one of the reference files is going to get that change. It's going to see that paint. If I didn't have that variable in MicroStation set, then this would have, the forks would be some color, the fender might be a different color, and I would have to go to each one of those files and make sure that it was using the exact same definition. So I'd have to update and sync the definitions. So this is really quite handy, and it's similar to, from the guys that have been around forever, back when we had the external palettes. You know, because it was an external palette, you edited that palette and everybody that was using it was going to get that definition. It's also the driver of why the building guys decided to go with the part family thing, because you might have a 20-story building and you want to make a change that's going to be every single reference file that make up the 20-story building is going to see the change. Where you ran into a bit of a problem with the local materials, because that file could have a different definition. So just be aware that we put that in there. It's in that doc that I posted.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.